In previous class, we discussed about how to create a Maven project. In this class, we discussed how to load a Maven project into Spring Tool Suite. Now, we need to click on File and Import. Here, in Maven, existing Maven projects. Next, it will ask the directory browse and Spring demo. Set. Here it will show pom.xml as tick mark, then finish. It will load. Yeah, it's loaded. Now we need to add string dependencies into this pom.xml. It's loading. Yeah, it's loaded. Here we need to add string dependencies. Go to Maven repository, and here you need to search string core. String core 4.3.5 we will use. This one we need to copy. Copy, and we need to paste here. Next we need to spring beans dependency we need to add. This is also 4.3.5. Copy and paste here. Next, spring context we need. This is also 4.3.5. Copy and paste here. Save, and you need to go to the project, click on right click, go to Maven, update project. Okay, here updating Maven project has 100% completed. Go to Maven dependence and see Spring Core, Spring Beans, Spring Context, and all remaining some extra dependencies we also will add. Thank you. Next class we will work on the example.